guys, welcome back to another one of my videos today.
Wow,
Today
woohoo!
I am doing a very special video. I've been wanting to do it for a while, but I just now got all the stuff together that I need to make it because I couldn't find one main ingredient. So, we are going to be making slime today.
Ooh, the slime!
Now, I didn't have food coloring, so I'll tell you what to use instead if it works. Okay, so let's get started to it. I'm going to turn the camera around. So things you are going to need for this, is the main thing you're going to need is glue.
Yeah.
You're going to need baking soda. Baking soda. You're going to need contact solution. Contact solution. And then you are going to need 1 tablespoon. And then 1.5 teaspoon. Okay. And then you're going to need something to make it in. You're going to need a spoon to mix it. You're going to need some glitter to decorate it. Your choice. And then you're going to need some food coloring. Only if you don't want it white, you're going to need some food coloring. But I didn't have food coloring. So I'm going to see if paint will work. Because paint is liquid like glue. So maybe if you mix these with this and this, it'll make slime. Ooh. And also, I got some water. I'll show you what that's for in a little while. It's not for drinking. Even though you should drink water every single day for your whole life. Okay, so let's get this camera turned. We're going to make 2 things of slime. One for me and one for him. So what you're going to need, you're going to need a bowl, like I said. And we're going to put the glue first. I'm going to put Okay.
Yeah. I'm just kidding.
Okay, so you're going to take the lid off. Okay. And then we're going to take the safety cap off. Remember, have an adult help you.
And she's my adult.
Okay.
Cause
now we're going to pour this entire bottle in here.
The
whole
bottle?
thing.
Ew. I like how glue smells.
Oh no.
Oh, your fingers gotta stick to the bowl, to the ball. I'll go get a rag.
No, we don't need it. Come on.
Okay.
Okay.
Look at that bubble. Is that all of the glue out? Okay, that's all out.
That's all the glue. Okay.
Well,
and like I said, I also got something to mix it with. Okay,
I
now
love how
we're
this
going
thing
to
feels.
take
It's so
our
rubbery.
baking soda.
I'll be the one mixing.
I kind of used this the other day, a little bit of this to clean with. And that's why it's got tape on it, because it ain't got no lid. Okay, so we're going to open this thing up a little bit more. Put that down. I got just enough. Okay, now you're going to take your 1.5 teaspoon.
This stuff really works for cleaning, though. It's amazing.
Okay.
And she's an amazing cleaner.
And we're going to like that.
Ting!
So you're only going to use one of those. And we're going to set this to the side.
Here's your spoon, chef.
And now, I'm going to use my contact solution. Keep away from eyes and mouth. And if you get it on your hands, don't put them in your mouth and don't put them in your eyes because you've forgotten. Okay, so we're going to get a full one.
Ooh.
I'm going to hold it over the bowl.
That stuff's stinky.
Alright. There's a full one. And now we're going to do a half a one.
Half. Full and a half.
and there's just a half. Okay.
It already looks like slime.
Now we're gonna mix.
It does not look like slime.
It'll eventually start thickening up.
Ew, some squirted out on the table and I got it on my hand.
Mm.
Did you use enough, Sissy?
I think I just gotta keep mixing. I think you gotta be patient with it and just keep mixing.
Mixy, 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 mixy.
Mm.
We should have been like the professionals and used a blender.
It's working.
Mix, 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 Sissy.
I think, I don't know if it's the glue or if it's turning into slime, but I think it's working.
I think what we should have done is be like a professional and use the actual blender.
Nobody uses a blender.
Not a blender. I mean a mixer.
Nobody uses a mixer.
Well, what the professionals do.
Oh. My eye just... Slime's supposed to look like this? Or is that just the glue?
I think you need to keep mixing.
Okay, I'm going to try
Don't overload
adding
it, though.
some more of this.
You don't need to overload it. Oh, I hope we have enough. Ooh, we're almost out. Are we almost out?
No.
Okay. Oh, I think that might have helped. That might have helped.
This might be a failure. I think this is an epic fail.
And we don't, do we have the stuff to do it over again?
We got enough, but I don't want to try it again if this ain't working. Leave comments down below if slime is supposed to be like that.
I don't think so, Sissy. I think it's supposed to be hard and squishy.
I'll be right back when I get it a little bit more mixed. Okay, so I finally got it to turn to slime, but I thought it wasn't working. I added a whole nother thing of contact solution, and now you can literally see the wetness in the bowl, and this stuff is way too wet and slimy, so it was a fail.
So
But Joshua likes this one.
I love how slimy it is.
So we're going to make this one blue for him. That's what the paint is for, but I don't know if it's going to work.
And I'm going to use this
Just give me a
glitter.
minute. Okay, guys, so
This is my slime.
this is what we came out with.
That next time we don't use contact solution so much. We don't use so much of it.
I'm trying to squeeze it out. If you guys know what to do for this problem, leave it in the comments below. I mean, it's pulling apart really easily.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to try this one more time for my slime. And using the paint did work. Ugh. This is awful. And all the water I'm squeezing, or contact solution I'm squeezing out of it. It's so gross.
Aye.
So the first one is kind of, as you saw, not so good. So the second one, me and Joshua are going to try not to add too much contact solution. Because that's what happened with the first one. I added a whole other one. That's what happened. Alright, get over here where the camera can see you, and let's get making another one. Hopefully we don't, you know, make a mess this time. Because I'm wasting glue for this, which I could use on other projects. Okay, so we're going to pour the whole bottle of glue in, like last time. Sounds like a fart. And I hope that you guys are just like my coloring videos. You are following along with me. Like I said in a couple of videos ago, I wish that I had a way you guys could send pictures to me of stuff that you made from me, or like fan art and stuff like that, but sorry, I don't have anything right now. But maybe I could find something soon. Okay, so we're going to put the lid on that. Okay, now we're going to add one of these. One. And then we're only going to add 1.5 of contact solution. Alright, 1. And a half. I hope that was a half. I believe that was a half. You're probably thinking, Candace, why don't you use just a half teaspoon? Good question. I don't have one. That's my answer. Okay, now we're gonna. Now the last one I had to start really mixing before it activated. So. See, already starting to activate. I know you guys can't see, but I'll show you in a second. Keep stirring. Can't do it with my left hand. It's getting tiring. Alright, so I didn't do it the last, I think it was 1 or 2 coloring videos, or regular videos maybe, but in one of my videos, I did say that I was going to do Disney songs, and then you guys had to guess it, and comment down below what you thought it was, what movie you thought it was from. Where's the lid? Okay, I lost the lid to my paint. It's okay, I'll find it eventually. Eventually. Okay, so for this week's Disney song, so let me think for a second. What could be for this week's Disney song? Well, I'm not going to give any hints away, but this is my favorite movie ever, and this is from, well, I ain't going to tell you what part it's from. It's from part 1 or 2, and it goes like this. Da 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 da. So if you guys know what that is, that's the only clue I'm giving you. Comment down below. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Da 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 da. Do 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 da 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 do da 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 do. All right, better stop or I get copyrighted. But that's this week's Disney song. Only true fans of the movie will know it. So it's taking forever. But I'm not going to add a contact solution. I'm not. You want to get rough? This is getting so tiring. Don't touch that. No. So tiring. I'll come back when I have a little bit more done. Okay, guys, it's been about an hour and a half now, and I've been mixing and mixing like crazy, and nothing has happened. It's only thickened up a little bit. It's still really runny, super sticky, and I don't know what else to do. I can't sit here and keep stirring this because I have a back problem. If you don't know what I'm talking about and you're new to my channel, then welcome. Push the subscribe button. But go watch my Draw My Life video. You'll know why. But, I can't stir anymore. I hope you guys enjoyed